how to add taxes in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add taxes to your Squarespace website or your store. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account and visit up the account dashboard. Once we have did that, we are going to select the website that we want to implement the taxes on, and we are going to find the website editor or the manager here. So as you can see, we're going to focus into the product and services, and we're going to make sure that we are going to add the products. So as long as you are going to add or products, if it is going to be physical or whatever product that you want, you can go ahead and have here the product added, and then you can go ahead and set up a price. When you finish setting up the price, you can go ahead and head over the specific parameter, which is going to be on settings, and then we're going to head over the selling. For the selling, you're going to set up here your taxes by clicking on taxes, set up taxes rate for your store, and you're going to have it either automated with minimal upkeep. As you can see, you're going to collect taxes with real-time rates in plus 100 countries in all the US states. You can have also the assigned product specific tax codes to anything you sell, or you can go ahead and put it manual, which is going to be free to use. Click on manual, then we are going to add the manual taxes. So you're going to have here the rates, the applying tax, and the additional tax settings. You can go ahead and add, for example, the country. I don't know, here we are going to search for France, and we can go ahead and click on next, put the tax name, the rate, which is going to be 19%. You can charge taxes on services and digital products, and also on shipping if you want, and you are going to click on save. After that, you're going to set up the applying taxes to at checkout or include in price. We are going to include it in price or checkout, what you want. You can choose, and you can have, for example, some options like tax reporting, receipts, settings, and etc. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.